Hi friends, welcome back for our phonics lesson. We're going to go over some key special sounds from chart 13. You guys have been doing an amazing job with the charts. I've loved reviewing chart 13 and chart 12 during our reading groups and on video. And today on our worksheet, there's some key special sounds, and I wanted to focus on those before we get to our worksheet. So I'm going to go through them. I'm going to tell you, and then I just want you to repeat after me, okay? So we have and sailor, O-R. Good. A and 8, E-I-G-H. And dollar, A-R. Ton and nation, T-I-O-N. Air and care, A-R-E. And this is the tricky one because there's two sounds. Shun and missionary, S-I-O-N. Shun and television, S-I-O-N. Okay, good. Now I'm going to hold them up. I want you to say them by yourself without having me here saying them. So I'm going to hold them up. Go ahead. Louder. Good. Good. Careful, this is not mountain, T-A-I-N. Great job, guys. Okay, so if you need another review of those special sounds, just rewind this video. And so you could just go back to 2 minutes ago and go through these again. So with our worksheet today, you're going to need crayons. You're going to need blue, red, brown, yellow, and green. Okay? There are actually two different color browns, and I don't know if you have two different color browns, but you could use, you could pick a color that you would like. Just go ahead and get your crayons ready. I'm going to share my screen with you, so we're going to be working on this page right here. Let me share my screen with you. Okay. I hope all of you are doing well. Let me get this. Here we are. Okay, so we have our paper here, and we are going to start with looking at the whole paper. So, oh, it's a coloring. But first, we've got to use, oh, look at, there's a key here. So, and it has the special sounds that we just went over. Okay, let's look at the special sounds first. And based on the word that's in the pictures, that's what we're going to color. The special sound that goes with that word is what we're going to color that portion of the picture. So the blue crayon is what? Shun and missionary, S-I-O-N. Shun and television, S-I-O-N. The yellow crayon is and sailor, O-R. The red crayon is R and dollar, A-R. The light brown that it shows at the top is air and care, A-R-E. The dark brown that it shows at the top is shunnination, Tion. I might have mispronounced that on the first part of this video. It's shunnination, Tion. I might have said nation, but when I hear the word nation, it's shunnination, Tion. I might have made a mistake and said nation, but it's shunnination. Okay, who corrected Miss Bartolome on that? Good. So it's shunnination, Tion. And the green crayon is AN8, EIGH. Okay, so now we're going to do a few of these, and then I know you guys can just look at the special sounds and see what color you're going off of. So let's go for the first picture. I'm going to go to the furthest to the left. I'm going to enlarge this. And the first word on the far left is doctor, and the special sound is OR. So do you see the special sound, OR? You could circle it if you like. It will be great for you. It's not going to hurt for you to circle the special sounds. But with the orange sailor, OR, what color is that going to be? Look at the key. Yeah, the color key. That is going to be yellow. So this is where you're going to get your yellow crayon and color in. And I'm sure you know as well as I do, that is going to be the sun. Take your time in coloring, boys and girls. So take your time. And if you haven't finished coloring that sun, then go ahead and pause your video and then just come back for when you're finished, okay? So we're moving on to the next word that we see, either below or aside. Let's look at, I'm just gonna highlight this. We're gonna look at these three words because I'm looking at that as the whole part of the picture, and they all have the same special sound. What special sound is it? Do we see? They all have the same special sound, S-I-O-N, which is what? Shunnin missionary, S-I-O-N, shunnin television, S-I-O-N. Okay, so now let me erase this so it doesn't get confused with our color. So since those are all shun, what color is that according to our key? S-I-O-N is blue. And that makes sense because it's probably going to be the sky. What do you think? Yes, me too. So go ahead, and this is probably going to take a while to color it blue. So let's see here. I'm going to start coloring mine blue, and you go right ahead and start coloring yours blue as well. Pause your video. Okay, so boys and girls, I finished coloring all of the shun portions blue. So it did take quite a while, but you know what? Taking your time and coloring can be very enjoyable if you're just going slowly with your strokes back and forth. Okay, so let's do one more and then I'm going to let you complete the rest of the picture by yourself. Again, you're just looking at the special sound in the word and then coordinating that word with what special sound in the color key. We do that. Now let's look at this word here. I'm going to highlight it. Okay, I see shunation, T-I-O-N. Do you see the T-I-O-N? T-I-O-N. And what color is that? Well, let's look at the key. The key it's dark brown, okay? It's dark brown. So I'm gonna get my brown crayon here and just color. Let me erase that yellow. I'm gonna just color this part brown. There we go. Okay, so now boys and girls, what you can do is go ahead and mark all the other words, look at what special sound they use, and then color it according to the color key. This is a very big picture, so I know you're going to take your time, boys and girls, and it's going to turn out to be a great picture. And again, coloring doesn't have to be fast. There's no rush. Take your time, make your small strokes, and then read the words too after you've circled the special sounds. I'm going to stop sharing my screen here. So enjoy the rest of your paper. It's got something I know many of you enjoy, which is coloring. So I will see you all for our math lesson in a little while. Bye-bye.